Walker. Saka does get it across and it's headed in.
Corner comes in, the header, it's helped on and past the keeper. And who else was away by Gazzaniga? It falls to Bellingham. It's another.
Bellingham can cruise into space and still goes and still goes. Oh, that is absolutely.
Possibly brought down, the referee indicating that play should continue. Into Carvajal, lays it off to Bellingham. Bellingham shoots and scores.
Now arriving, and he's in a bit of space, and he's found, and Bellingham plants it into the back of the net on the hour.
Headed away by Gabby, comes out to Bellingham. Bellingham goes for goal, and he hits the back of the net.
Real top players, the demand is.
And Bellingham, he's done it again.
Brahim over the top. Bellingham, chance!
Nothing like this has happened for a long time. Here's the overhead kick from Bellingham!
Η μπάλα πάει πλάγια, Watkins γυρίζει την μπάλα, εκεί κάποιος να τους μαρκάρει, το σούτ 1-1.
Entrega la pelota para Lucas.